Hi, families. I'm Monique Burey-Ballard, and thank you for joining us in our online classroom open house. While many features have been hidden in the free version, the one for our SMEC-Studio students include over 10 subjects: core, fine arts, physical and health education, technology, world languages, social emotional learning, and our specialties of entrepreneurship, college and career readiness, and career and technical education. We support our learners with additional resources such as standards aligned activities, tutoring, and an opportunity to participate in a portfolio project that demonstrates what they are proficient in and or have mastered. Additionally, we have different programs for primary pre-K through grade 2, elementary grades 3 through 5, middle grades 6 through 8, and secondary grades 9 through 12. Families have the option to co-create their own curriculum from our class options, and transcripts are available to communicate to others what our children are learning. Feel free to call, text, or FaceTime me at 1-708-351-1508. Book a free information meeting with SMEC-Studio educators, or learn more at smec-studio.com. Happy learning.